but I also want carrots. That's my favorite. Also potatoes. I never tasted potatoes before. They're super yummy.
There's more.
Also good for the health.
I'll put it there, okay?
Also, oh more. Good for the eyes.
Long wait lang naman. Long wait na lang kailangan nila long wait lang naman.
I make
Mm.
also good for the health.
What is that?
Carrots. Yeah. That's. I always eat carrots all the time. My mommy always put carrots on me.
Why do you want carrot?
But they're my favorite.
That's your favorite? You want more, Fanny?
I always can.
Be careful. Mm.
But then this. That's incredible. Hey, put the carrots on over here.
I'm sorry.
You put carrots on the wrong foot.
Wow.
Oo, dami na kain niya dyan.
Always say carrot. Carrot. Carrot.
Binayin ko.
What about chicken? You want?
Yeah, chicken is my favorite.
Hmm?
But chicken is not vegetable.
Yeah, that's meat. What about this one?
Nope.
It's a fish. Oh, look. It's a fish.
I don't want. I don't want.
Why? What do you want?
I want carrot.
Only carrot? What about vegetables? The other vegetables, I mean, potato.
Favorite.
How about cabbage?
Favorite.
What about broccoli?
Not favorite.
Why?
Because I never tasted broccoli before.
Oh, I've never tasted broccoli before. I'm gonna give you broccoli next time.
But I never tasted one.
You already tasted.
Nope.
I already give it to you. You don't know. Because I put it in the blender. See? I told you. What about squash?
Squash?
Yeah.
But what does it mean?
You already eat that too.
Yeah.
I put it in the blender. Not like that.
More.
I put some banana on it. And then I put malunggay.
And also carrot.
And a carrot too. Very good. And then you don't know, I put a broccoli too there.
Blech. More what, please?
No more. Is that no rice?
More rice.
Hala. Daddy, ang dami nitong rice. Not much. Maybe some other time again.
No.
You have to finish your
Carrot.
carrot. Yeah.
Carrot.
Good.
Also, carrot can make you think.
What makes carrot do to your body?
It makes you think.
Oh, hold your hand. It's ew. Look at your hand. Yucky. You have to wash your hand at your CR. Are you finished? And then you say hi again.
Hi,
What's your name?
Iowa.
Hmm.
But the pick is from us.
You already finished na. Okay?
Yep. But then the name is carrot. Carrot, carrot, carrot.
Why do you like carrot?
Because they're my vegetable.
Ah, sorry.
Vegetable. Vegetable.
Are you a bunny?
No.
What about the rabbit?
No.
Are you Rebecca Rabbit?
No. No, no,
Or
no,
Peppa
no,
Pig?
no.
I'm Peppa Pig. You say.
I'm Peppa Pig.
This is my little brother George.
This is my little dog.
And this is Mommy Pig.
And this is Mama Pig.
And this is Daddy Pig.
And this is Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa
Mm. Oh, see? I told you.
Carrot.
Stop na.
No.
What do you want to tell the story about?
Papa. Papa.
You have to tell the story.
What kind of story?
You have to tell the story about
No.
Jonah. Snow White. Okay, you may tell the story about Snow White.
Once upon a time, there was a princess. His name is Snow White. Never. And his mother is the stepmother. But she's the queen. The stepmother is the one who just bad to Snow. And he's in the mirror. And he said to the mirror, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?"
And
And she said, "It's Snow White. And
wow,
it's the prettiest of them all."
wow.
But you never seen Snow White on the fairest of forever.
And then
No,
what happened to Snow White?
we have. She ate the poison apple. And
Who gave her the poison apple? Oh, the stepmother. Why did stepmother want him to die? Want her to die? Oh, really? Oh, you have to tell them.
Yep, because and he eat the poison apple, and the seven dwarfs is wait.
Really?
Yep. We don't know what to do, but a prince gave him a kiss, and now it's the end.
Wow. Is she alive?
Yep. Yep.